not long ago that a car key only performed two functions. It locked and unlocked the door and started the engine. Today's key fobs are much more sophisticated, and we're here to help you get the most out of yours. There are two types of key fobs, the folding key remote keyless entry and the smart key. We'll start with the folding key. When you press the button on the side of the folding key fob, it releases the folding key, which can be used to unlock the doors and start the engine. Pressing this button locks all of the doors, while pressing this button once unlocks the driver's door. If you press it a second time within 4 seconds, it will unlock all the doors. Pressing and holding this button unlocks the trunk or liftgate so you can manually open it. And pressing and holding this button for more than 1 second will sound the panic alarm. Then press any button to turn off the alarm. The smart key is very similar. Pressing this button locks all of the doors. Pressing this button once unlocks the driver's door. If you press it a second time within 4 seconds, it will unlock all doors. Pressing and holding this button unlocks the trunk or liftgate so you can manually open it. And pressing and holding this button for more than 1 second will sound the panic alarm. Press any button to turn off the alarm. And if you need the mechanical key, press this button and it's released. Please note that the smart key signal can be blocked by the normal operation of a smartphone. So if possible, store each device separately. Thanks to Kia, convenience is right at your fingertips. For additional information on the remote keyless entry system and the smart key, please refer to your owner's manual, the Features and Functions Guide for your vehicle, or the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.